welcome to today's video. Let's begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 6, Useful Plants. Now in this chapter we are going to study about various plants and their uses. So let's begin with it. It begins with read and learn about some useful plants. The first image is of a rubber plant. When a cut is made in the rubber tree's bark, a milky fluid called latex flows out, and this fluid is collected and used to produce rubber sheets, which are used to make items such as tires, shoe soles and balls, etc. So, what is this milky fluid used for? It is used for making tires, shoe soles and balls, etc. Then next we have banana plant. Every part of the banana tree is useful. You can eat the trunk, flowers and the fruit itself. Banana leaves are also used as plates. In southern India, the people use banana leaves as a plate. Then let's read the quick fact given over here. The quick fact says that the ancient Egyptians, they used the pieces of papyrus plant to create paper. Well, henna plants are what they are responsible for producing dyes. Henna plants produce a reddish brown dye which is used for coloring hands, hair, fingernails and fabrics also. Henna plants वही plants हैं जिनसे हम मेहंदी बनाते हैं. Then next we have the neem tree. Different parts of the neem tree, they have different uses in medicine. Neem twigs are used for brushing teeth. Neem leaves are used to repel insects, and they are also consumed in many regions of India as our medicinal purpose and for various other purposes. Let's now move to the next page. On the next page, we have the image of the coconut tree. And it says that every part of the coconut tree is also valuable. It is useful. The trunk is used for making furniture. We consume the coconut fruit for its oil and refreshing water. The coconut fiber known as coir is used to create ropes and mats. Now quick fact again given over here, and it says that did you know chocolate is made from cocoa tree beans? So our favorite chocolate, it is made from which tree? It is made from cocoa tree beans. Then there is a your answer please question for you children. And the question is, what fruit is called God's fruit? So you have to answer the question and write the answer over here. Let's now move to the quiz time. Now here in the quiz time, they have given you 3 pictures of 3 different plants. You have to name these common medicinal plants which are shown here with the help of the हेल्प डेस्क. बट हम बिना हेल्प के भी चाहें तो ये कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये बहुत ही कॉमन से प्लांट्स हैं. द फर्स्ट इमेज इज ऑफ इंडियन गूसबेरी जिसको हम बुलाते हैं आंवला. सो दिस इज आंवला, AMLA, आंवला. द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ अनदर मेडिसिनल प्लांट जिसको हम बुलाते हैं पुदीना और मिंट. Third image is of another medicinal plant to which we call as tulsi or holy basil. So these are the names of the respective plants given over here. They are the medicinal plants. So I hope in this chapter, from this chapter, you must have understood about the various uses of various plants, and you must have learned the different names of also the unknown plants also. So this is all about the chapter. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.